I head down the Roraima River, a tributary of the Amazon, towards my treasure. It's an unbelievably beautiful work of art, created by a tribe called the Igbatza. The Igbatza people are clinging on to their traditional way of life as hunter-gatherers. Their world has been threatened by the loggers and cattle ranchers, as well as Roman Catholic Jesuit missionaries, who forcibly removed their children as recently as the 1960s. Excellent. Reception committee. What about approach? Hello. Okay. That is what I've come to see, the headdress. My most colourful of treasures is the symbol of the Amazon and an object of immense importance to these people. Shall we come? Oh my God. Wow. I expected one, maybe two Umahara, but a whole hut full. Beautiful objects, beautifully made, but more to the point, they are full of meaning to these people. They celebrate their culture, their aspirations, their religion, and made from human hair, parrot feathers. Ah, absolutely wonderful. The Umahara headdress is worn with great pride by the Igbatza people. It's the emblem of their endangered culture. It once played a key role in war ceremonies and is still used in dance rituals. This dance takes place every day for 90 days after the 1st of June. It's a celebration of birth and all things new. During the dance, wives have the right to ask favours of their husbands, who are obliged to grant them. After the dance, I talked to members of the tribe about the headdress and how it's made. Can I ask what it means to them today, the Umahara headdress?
Uma grande riqueza na cultural nosso, né?
Falar, né?
Isso.
This, the Umahara represents a great richness in their own culture.
E que, para o nosso futuro,
and for their future,
não devemos deixar de confeccionar ou então deixar de fazer para os nossos usos mesmo, né? Com isso,
for their future, they shouldn't stop creating it and using it for their own use.
It represents a sense of identity, really.
A Umahara representa, na verdade, um senso da identidade da Igbatza.
Identidade de Igbatza.
It represents identity of the Igbatza people.
Graças a Deus, a FUNAI pensou.
So we've got feathers from the parrot and female hair. That is correct, is it? Onto
São plumas de arara. Essa aqui é da
amarela.
This is from the Amarela clan.
yes, and there's the hair. It's all rather perplexing. To preserve their traditions, the Igbatza have to make their Umahara headdresses. Yet in so doing, they must kill protected bird species for their feathers. While the faces and bodies of the men and women are brightly painted in the traditional way, they sport natty shorts and bikini tops. Bit by bit, the Igbatza are being drawn into the modern world, whether they like it or not. As evening approaches, preparations are being made for supper. A rather tasty feast awaits me. It all brings back very deep memories. The family halls scattered round about the compound, the main hall where the communal ceremonies take place, the people gathered round the fire at night eating, the fields round about. It's like an Anglo-Saxon village in England 1,200 years ago. It's like meeting one's ancestors coming back here.